Hello and welcome to this week's video from Repercussion Drum School. I'm going to be playing along to Time Is Running Out by Muse. This is taken from the Grade 1 Hotrock book from Rockschool. I'll be playing a full mix of this and then afterwards you'll hear just an isolated drum track. If you find this useful, and I hope you do, then please hit like and subscribe to the channel for future videos from Repercussion Drum School. I'll be turning out one of these once a week, so stay tuned and here we go.
Time is running out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.